So today I decided to do a really big painting. At least it's the biggest for me, and I have a stretch canvas 24 by 30, and I decided to do the experiment with the flip and drag technique. And as you can see, I have 2 cups of white and my 4 colors. So I have bright neon yellow, the African violet, and then I also have this aqua color and also this bright blue. Also, for the first time, I'm using Floetrol. So we will see how it's gonna end up. Either it's gonna be a really mess or it will be really pretty. So let's see. So the way I mix my colors is that I took 50% ratio for the color and Floetrol. I also added a teaspoon of water approximately into each color, and now I'm gonna add a couple drops of silicone in each color. So I'm gonna mix it right now quickly. So my white color doesn't have any silicone, which I think is fine. But what I'm gonna do is now pour the colors into my cup. This is so pretty. Oh, look at that. So nice. Oh, I love it. I have now no idea how I'm gonna flip it. My sense is I'm gonna make a complete mess, but who knows. Okay. Should I add more white? Okay, fine. I will add more white. There. Oh. Check this out. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, let's mix it a bit. Okay. Now the hardest part. How am I gonna flip it? It's so full. Oh, actually, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lift this painting and should I just pour or flip it? Pour or flip it? Okay, flip. Fine. Ooh! I succeeded. Now stay, stay, stay. Okay, now we're gonna pour all white. Oh, technically 2 cups is just fine. There is a bit of leftovers, which I think I don't need to use, because there's just so much paint. Okay, so on my path, I'm gonna just add more color. So I'm gonna be going this way. Okay. And I messed up all my bracelets. Good job. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm just gonna hold it. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god, that looks so gorgeous. Whoa. Oh my god. I love it. Ooh. What? Ooh. Whoa, there is a lot of color. Where is it gonna end? Oh my god. There's definitely too much color. But that looks so good. Check this out. Oh wow. That is so nice. I feel like there is definitely too much color here. But let's see what we're gonna do with this. I honestly don't think that I need to use torch even. But let's move that beauty around. Oh my god, this is my favorite part. Okay, so now let's add a bit of the action here. Okay, there's too much the same color here, but I really love this edge. It looks so beautiful. Okay, let's work on this side now. We have very nice white pattern here, so we will bring it more towards this side. Okay, now I'm gonna move towards this area. So I really think that there is kind of too much blue here, I guess you can say that. So I'll just try to add a thin line of white. I'm not sure how it's gonna happen. Yeah, so really working. Oh, there you go. Okay. Wow, there is really a puddle of paint right in this area. But there's also too much blue. Okay, so here's the painting. I must say that I really love the flip and drag. However, I do think that for this size of the canvas I did use too much paint because I wanted actually to have more white color. But check this beauty. I don't know how it's gonna dry because there is some parts that have really a lot of paint, and I hope it's not gonna crack. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to your comments or suggestions. Hit the like button if you really liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.